All right, this is for study skills class, and basically there's a couple things that we want to go over. So we're going to go over creating a master page, and uh, this is just showing you how some of the things you do in the master page looks like when you build it as a page. So I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to do this from scratch. I'm going to delete this one, delete slide. Oh, I hit duplicate. I want to delete. Okay, so when you're going to create a new master page, what you have to do is you're going to go to view and then you're going to go to master. So once you click on master, it's going to take you into a new window, and these are all the pages that come with that template. Now I've already made 2 pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new page, and all I'm going to do is right click and I'm going to go new layout. So right click and new layout. I'm going to make this one slightly different just so you can see what's going on. So let's say I want to put a title bar in here. I am going to go to shapes. I'm going to pick a rectangle. I'm going to line it up with the corners and just kind of make a bar here. Okay, now what I don't want is I don't want this stroke. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to go transparent. And as you can see, there's a line up top because it's not strictly aligned. So what I want to do is I want to zoom in. And when I zoom in, let's get back here to the top. I keep scrolling up, sorry. I want to take this and I want to just move it on up so it aligns, right? So it aligns nicely. Now, let me zoom and fit. Here's the problem. There was text here, but now uh, it's behind the new column that I made. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go to arrange, order, and I'm just going to go send backwards. Okay, so the shortcut is control plus the arrow key down. And now you can see where that text is. Now, this box is different than a text box in your slide. This is a placeholder. So when you put a placeholder, and every time you create a page off your new master page, you're going to have a placeholder there for text that you can edit. But it looks different in the master page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and make a new text box down here. So I'm going to go insert, and a lot of you guys are going to want to insert a text box. Don't do that. What you want to do is you want to come down and go to placeholder, and then you're going to go to a body text placeholder. Now if I wanted to place a subtitle, I can do that. I also have a title placeholder. So I'm going to hit a body text, and I'm just going to click here, and this is just going to be for my body text. Now it comes preset, okay, and what this is saying is your first level, so your first level of typing, it's going to be this font size, which is set at Arial at 18 and at a gray. Now, if I want to change it, I can come in here and I can make it 22 for my first level. I can take it back down to 18. My second level is going to be 14. My third level is going to be 14. My fourth level is going to be 14, and so forth. And what it's saying is every time I tab over for like a bullet, this is how it's going to look. So this is when you use bullets, and bullets are right here. You have your number bullets, and then you have your symbol bullets. Okay, so that's where you have the circle, the square, and the open circle. Now let's say I want my second level to have a different color. Well, I can go in here and I can pick a color. I'm going to pick a color off of the template themes color, and I'm going to say that's going to be my second level. Well, let's say I want my third level to be a different color. So I'll come in here, and again, I'm going to pick something that's based off the template color scheme. And I'll keep going down. So fourth color, I'm going to make it that orange again. 5th level, I'm going to make it that blue again. 6th level, orange, and I'm just alternating. And I'm already using the preset colors. 8th level. Now, chance of you getting to an 8th level, probably not high. Especially not a 9th level. But I'll go in because I want to create this rhythm. Okay. So now I have my text box there. So I have edit text master here for the title. So anything that's going to get typed in here is going to be white. If you want to change this color, again, you can go in, change it from white, and you can pick the other colors. So let's say you want it to be black or one of the darker colors. You can do that. I'm going to do it that light white gray. Okay, so you don't have to save anything. It's already done for you. So I'm just going to exit out of the master pages by clicking over in my column over here for my slides. So now when I come in here and I want to create a new slide, I'm just going to hit plus. Okay, or I can right click, go new slide. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to go in here and I want to go into my layouts. And you can see where I just made my new custom layout up here. I forgot to title it, but I'm going to click on it. And here you can see there's my title, and this is for my text. So I type something here, text will go here at an 18-point font. And that font's going to be, and then this is where you can go, you go hit enter. That font's going to be Arial. And this is what happens if I go in here and I click tab, it's going to give me that first level. If I go in here and I click tab again, it's going to give me that second level. And if I go here, it should give me that third level. Now something is wrong because these aren't different colors, and I just realized what's wrong. I did not bullet them. And you can see once I put it in a bullet, they change their colors. Okay, so if something's not quite working out, you need to check stuff like your bullets. You might need to go back into your master page. So I can go view, I can go master, and I can make my changes. I'm going to rename. I'm just going to put a header. Okay, and that's going to be that slide. Also, this first level, if I change that in here, and let's go with that obnoxious yellow-green. Okay, and I'm just going to come back out, and you're going to see that it is changed. Okay, so that's one of the things I want to show you, creating master pages and looking how you can apply it to your slideshow. So creating master pages, why would you do that? Well, if I need to make 10 pages like this, I don't want to do it 10 times. I want to do it once. And then I can just create a new slide and pick the format that I made. So it's an easy way, if you know you're going to be doing something over and over and over again in a slide presentation, and you don't see a template that you like, you create your own template, and then you can just use that over and over again, and you don't have to recreate it every time. So it speeds up the process. So this, all we're talking about right now, is we're talking about view, master, creating a new master page within your theme that you chose. So hopefully that makes sense. It's really easy. Again, I'll do it one more time. Go view, master, and then you can create a new master page. You can come down here, create a new master page, just new layout. It's easy as that. When you're putting in a text field, you're going to go insert, and you're not going to insert a text box. You're going to insert a title placeholder, a subtitle, or a body text. So hopefully that makes sense to you. If you have any other questions, just ask and we'll come back to it. And if I need to clear things up, I'll make a different video. And let's go back to our slides.